Hello friends, a very good day to all of you and welcome back. Today's recipe is a simple sabzi or a curry which is Masala Dahi Bhindi or okra made with yogurt and spices. So this is very simple with basic masalas that we use every day and can be paired with rotis as well as rice. But the same curry I also make with many variations, sometimes using different masalas like Kolhapuri masala, pav bhaji masala or tawa sabzi masala. So each time I make it has a different taste, different flavor. It's always good to try out variations. So let's get started, and today we are going to make it with the basic masalas. You try it out with any masala of your choice. You can refer to the ingredients list in the description box. Let's get started with the cutting and cooking process. Here I've taken the bhindis, washed them very well, wiped them dry with a cloth. These bhindis are Maharashtra local, they call it desi bhindis. You can see the color is also different and they are not very sticky. Very tender also, though they are so big. Now cut off the tips and cut them into pieces, about 2-inch pieces. You can cut them diagonally or any way you like. All bhindis are done. Now transfer them into a flat container or a tray. Sprinkle a little bit of salt and mix. So while we are preparing the other things, these will get salted. Set these aside. I have cut the onions very finely in a chopper. And same the tomatoes also, I have crushed them in the chopper. Now here let's mix the curd and spices. Take about 2 tablespoons of curd or yogurt. This is plain yogurt. Add little salt and some water. Whisk them together. Now add all the spice powders. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon each of coriander and cumin powders, 2 teaspoons of besan or gram flour, 1 teaspoon Kasoori methi and 1/2 teaspoon of chilli powder. Add them to the whisked yogurt and mix them thoroughly. As I mentioned earlier, instead of basic spices, you could also use only pav bhaji masala, or you can use tawa sabzi masala, Kolhapuri masala. There are many options. Now set this aside. Take a pan and heat oil, about 1 cup, for frying the bhindis. Bhindi is one vegetable which I like to fry and then make because of the stickiness. Now the oil is hot. You can put the bhindis. I really love these local desi bhindis. They are directly from the organic farm, so pesticide free also. And they are so nice and tender. The sabzi comes out really very tasty. Keep stirring them intermittently so that they are fried evenly. We are going to half fry the bhindis. Now they are done. Remove them into a plate. Now I am reducing the oil, just leaving about 4 tablespoons for cooking. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. Here mine is frozen. I've added a small piece. Saute it a bit until it changes color. Now add the onions. Saute them, stirring until the moisture is dried up and the color changes. We should fry it to a light brown color. Now add the tomatoes. They are also crushed to a coarser texture. Cover and simmer, let them cook. You can see the oil is also beginning to separate. Keep mashing with the ladle until the moisture is completely dried up. You can see it's done. Time to add the yogurt mixture. This way, when you mix little besan in the yogurt, it doesn't curdle, and also the curry gets a thicker consistency. Keep stirring and continue cooking. Now here I have added little water to the bowl and removed the extra that is stuck to it. Put it also into the pan and start cooking. Add little salt. Be very careful because the bhindis already have salt, and we added little bit to the yogurt mixture also. Add a tablespoon of tomato ketchup or little bit of jaggery to balance the flavors. Now we will simmer and allow it to cook. You can see now the oil is floating on top. This is the stage where we are going to add the bhindis, half fried bhindis. Stir gently and add some coriander leaves. We are going to simmer this until done. Bhindis are already done, it won't take a very long time. Adjust the consistency of the gravy also to your liking. Remember, it thickens on keeping, so add water accordingly. It's done. Delicious Masala Dahi Bhindi is ready. Dish it out and enjoy. If you like this recipe, do share it with your friends also. If you are a bhindi lover, check out my other recipes as well. I have made Kurkuri Bhindis and Sindhi Style Bhindi Aloo made with green masala. I am sharing the links in the description box. Garnish with coriander leaves and enjoy. Friends, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for all your support. Check out these videos from the archives. You might like them too. Stay tuned. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.